The Middle East has reached a point of no return. On March 1st, 2026, the world woke up to a seismic shift in global power. Iranian state media has officially confirmed the death of Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. A TV anchor on state-run television delivered the news early Sunday morning. Khamenei, the 86-year-old cleric who ruled Iran with the iron fist for 36 years, was killed in a massive joint airstrike by the United States and Israel. The strike was a direct decapitation effort. It pulverized the Beit Rabari compound in central Tehran on Sunday morning. Along with the supreme leader, reports indicate nearly 40 high-ranking officials were lost, including the commander of the Revolutionary Guards